This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Eastern War. To begin, your primary goal is to engage in large-scale battles, often involving capturing objectives or eliminating enemy forces. You'll move your character using the W, A, S, D keys, look around with your mouse, and jump with the spacebar. Interacting with items or picking up weapons usually involves pressing the E key. Understanding these fundamental controls is crucial for your initial steps on the battlefield. Mastering combat is key to victory. To aim your weapon, hold down the right mouse button and fire by clicking the left mouse button. Eastern War features various weapon types, from close-quarters shotguns to long-range sniper rifles, each effective at different distances. Always seek cover behind objects like walls or sandbags to protect yourself from incoming fire. Strategic positioning, such as flanking enemies, can give you a significant advantage in firefights. Teamwork is absolutely vital for success in Eastern War. Most game modes require your team to work together to achieve objectives, such as capturing control points or defending key locations. Effective communication, often through the in-game chat or voice commands, helps coordinate attacks and defenses. Sticking with your squad and supporting your teammates, perhaps by providing suppressive fire or healing, significantly increases your chances of winning the round. To truly excel, practice your aim and map awareness. As you play, you'll earn in-game currency or experience points, which you can use to unlock new weapons, attachments, or cosmetic items. Customizing your loadout to suit your playstyle, whether you prefer a fast-paced assault or a more defensive role, is important. Experiment with different weapon combinations and attachments to find what works best for you, enhancing your overall battlefield effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.